Hello there, this is Sourav once again for you. I'm back with another presentation. Can you guess what is my presentation? Yes, my presentation is blinking light. But you think that why do I make project blinking light again and again? For kind information, I tell you there is some difference between this project and that project. That means in previous project. So to know the difference, you can you will decide with me. You'll decide with me and watching me. So let's get started. So uh, I make the presentation in two parts. The first one, you can see the programming part, and the second one is hardware part. So basically, there are two parts in total presentation. The first one is software part that that is looking in front of you, and the other one is hardware part. So uh, I start in software part. There are two parts. First one, the void setup part, and the second one is loop part. So in setup part, 2 number pin, 3 number pin, that means D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, D9, D10, D11. I have already declared as output. So this 10 pin, 2 to 11 pin acts as output. So you so you have to understand. As I declared, you have to understand. As I declared a 10 output, so you have to know. I can use this program. I can this presentation. I use this presentation about 10 LED lights because I have already 10 out. I have already selected 10 output. So the second is loop part. Here, for the kind information, I tell you there are 5 parts in loop part. There are 5 parts in loop part. But why? Why I use 5 parts in loop part? Because the 10 LED light, the 10 LED lights which I used used on breadboard, then those LED lights are blinking are five types, and both types are all of the types are different. You can see that. So the first part is digital write, and the 2 number pin is 1. You also know that. One means digital high and the 0 means digital low. So the 2 number pin is 1. So that means 2 number pin is high. Also means in which light is connected in 2 number pins is high, and that means the 2 number pins connected light are 1, and the 3rd number pin will get low voltage. That means that 3 number LED has turned off. So 3 number pin in this part, 2 number pin is only the 2 number pin is 1. 3, 4, 5, 6 and whatever 11 number pin is getting low. So in this process, when it will how long it will be processed, about the delay is 100 millisecond. So the second part also, the first part, 2 number pin is high, and the second part, the 3rd number pin is high also. Then after 100 millisecond, 4 number pin is high, and the all of others pin has low. After 100 millisecond, 5 number pin is high, and after 100 millisecond, only the 6 number pin is high, and that process continued several times. So this is the first part, and the process is continue, and this is the end of first part. So in the loop part, the second part I start. In this part, 2 number pin is high and 3 number pin is high. You can see that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 number pin. Also, all of are high. All of are high. And this process will continue about 15 millisecond. After 15 millisecond, that process happens. That process happened. So 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, and all of are getting low, and this process will continue. Will be continuing 500 millisecond. After 500 millisecond, this process continue. So it is the continuing process, and this is the end of, second part. The third part starts, and also the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 11 pin. Only 6 number pin is high, and the 7 number pin is high, and all of others pin are getting low after 500 millisecond. This process is also continuing. So this is the end of third part. I'll go fourth part of loop part. So in this part, after in this part, 5 number pin is high and the 8 number pin is high. After 30 millisecond, 300 millisecond, 4 number pin is high and the 9 number pin is high, and this process continue. Okay, continuing, and this is the last part. In this last part, only 6 number pin and 7 number pin is 1. After 500 millisecond, all of are getting low or off. Then after 500 millisecond, 6 number pin and 7 number pin again high, and this process, and after 500 millisecond, all of are getting low. After 500 milliseconds, 6 number pin is high and 7 number pin is high, and this process continue, and this is my end of the program. So this is the first one, or this is the first part of the tutorial presentation, and this called and I called it software part or programming part. So